With a heart full of praise to God and profound gratitude for the grace of this sacred day, I wish to extend our sincerest thanks to all who made the ordination and celebration so spiritually rich and joyfully memorable. To His Excellency, Most Reverend Antonio Tobias, D.D., we offer our deepest gratitude for your fatherly presence and for conferring the sacrament of Holy Orders. To our beloved guests, thank you for surrounding the altar with your paternal solidarity. Your prayers and shared priesthood made this ordination a truly collegial and grace-filled celebration. To our deacon, Reverend King Spirit Monserrate Coecher, we extend our great gratitude for your dedicated service at the Lord's altar and your ministry to our community. To our liturgies, Brother Mark Benjamin, thank you for your careful and prayerful preparation of our sacred celebration, helping us to worship in spirit and truth. To the family, relatives, and friends of Reverend Jason, thank you for the love and formation that nurtured our vocation. Your presence today is a testament to the domestic church from which His call was born. To my own family, relatives, and friends, words cannot express my gratitude. You have been my constant support, my first community of love, and my most patient witnesses. This journey is as much yours as it is mine. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. To the Father Monte Center community, headed by Reverend Father Ronald General, CFIC, we thank you for your hospitality, fraternity, and for being a home and a mission field where faith and charity flourish. To the family of Tita Mirna and Dan Danosa and the family of Tita Socorro Hernandez, thank you for your generous kindness and for being here to share in our family's glory. To the lectors, commentator, and thank you for your proclaiming God's word with clarity and devotion, allowing it to resonate in our hearts. To our dedicated families and titas who arranged the magnificent flowers headed by Mami Belen and Ate Gemma, thank you for adorning God's house with such beauty, symbolizing the flowering of a new vocation. To our choirs, headed by Ate Hazel Herrera, thank you for leading us in heavenly praise. Your music lifted our hearts, gave voice to our joy, and truly made the liturgy a foretaste of heaven. To the servers, the sea of ice aspirants, thank you for your reverent and attentive service at this solemn liturgy. To our photographer, James, thank you for capturing the precious moments of our gatherings, preserving memories of grace and joy that we will treasure for years to come. And thank you also sa lahat ng mga dumalo kong mga kaparian and mga padres and mga people. Brother, thank you po. And finally, to Job Catering Services, thank you for your excellent service and helping us transition from spiritual feast of feasted meal, where our community fellowship could continue its celebration. To each and everyone named and unnamed who contributes in ways seen and unseen, may God, the source of all goodness, repay you 100-fold on this Thanksgiving. Please know that your presence, your prayers, and your efforts are deeply valued. Thank you.
For the final blessing, we shall have the institution to the lectern.